Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a row in your Google Sheets file. I've already opened my file in Google Sheets, and then I'm going to show you how to, if you want to add or insert row. So it's basically so easy. If you want to add some row, you can just click on the row. For example, I want to add a row, I want to insert a row above this row, this first row. What you need to do is just right click, block the rows, and then right click, and then you'll find the insert row option. You can choose whether you want to add at the row above or below it. I'm going to insert one row above it. So just like that, the new row has been inserted in here. And vice versa, it also, if you want to insert below, you can just choose this. It's so easy, right? And you can also do this if you want to add multiple rows like this. Okay, it's so easy. Okay, so that's it for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in a comment. And if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.